Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cotton candy using just one simple ingredient: sugar. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create a perfect, fluffy treat every time. First, make sure you have your cotton candy machine ready and a clean, clear workspace. We'll be transforming ordinary granulated sugar into a delightful, airy confection that everyone will love. Let's get started on this sweet adventure. Now, let's talk about preparing your sugar. For the best results, ensure your granulated sugar is completely dry and free of any lumps. This helps the machine spin it perfectly. If you want to add a splash of color, you can mix in a few drops of food coloring with your sugar before adding it to the machine. Or, for an extra special treat, try using flavored sugars like cherry or blue raspberry to create unique taste sensations. It's all about customizing your sweet creation. All right, it's time to fire up your cotton candy machine. First, turn it on and let it preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures the heating element is hot enough to melt the sugar quickly. Once it's ready, carefully pour just 1 or 2 tablespoons of your prepared sugar directly into the center spinning head. Avoid overfilling, as this can affect the spinning process. You'll soon see the magic happen as the sugar transforms into those beautiful, wispy threads. The final step is the most fun: collecting your delicious cotton candy. Grab a paper cone or a sturdy stick. As the machine spins out those delicate sugar threads, gently hold your cone horizontally and twirl it around the rim of the bowl. The threads will magically cling to your cone, building up into a fluffy cloud. Keep twirling until you have a generous portion. Serve your freshly made cotton candy immediately to enjoy its perfect, airy texture and sweet flavor. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.